take $500 from her, put it in his pocket, then turn around and tell her she needs to give him money to buy food for the house. That was in Colorado. Right after she'd just given him $500 for her stay. He gonna put that in his pocket and he was gonna go get Sarah's shit with it.
Yeah. Is there Anna working today? This morning?
She works tonight from 4 to 8, I think. So we're just waiting for it to be time to take her to work, and I'll go pick up the money. And then I'll probably go to Lowe's and get me one more climbing rose, some topsoil, and some Miracle-Gro for like flowers and roses and shit, because that's what I'm doing right now. It's a little too early to start doing. Well, I can do them on the inside. I might get some stuff to start some inside seeds and stuff. But it's a little too early to put vegetables outside. That's like the middle of March. But this other stuff, you know, I can go ahead and get, I'm not going to put it out in the yard just yet, but I can get out there and get the area cleaned up and get my dirt put down, let it kind of accumulate itself to the ground like it needs to do, you know. Get out there, and I want to dig these, whatever the hell they had planted out here between the sidewalk and the porch banister. I want to get that out of there because it was not blooming when we moved in, and I just don't want it there. I want roses. I'm either going to get another yellow one or another pink one, so whichever I get. If I get yellow, then I'll put yellow at the two ends and the pink one in the middle. If I get pink, I'll put the pink ones at the two ends and the yellow one in the middle to go up the banister there, you know, the tall part, because they're climbing roses. And then I don't know which one I want to do after I do this one. I just picked this one up because it was small and I wasn't sure. I've got this big one over here. This gnome thing. I know it's kind of springy and kind of like maybe you might even go with like St. Patty's Day. I could do that. I'm not sure. But then I have this other one. Where's it at? Oh, I have this one. To me, it seems kind of plain, even though it's a beach thing. You know, I got that one. And then somewhere over here, I have another one that's kind of like with a boat on it. But it seems kind of plain, too. I'm really thinking I might start my Titanic one here in a little bit. But then I also...
Yeah, it's more like Mod Podge or something. I don't know where mine went. I've got like 2 that I finished. I need to
I've got
down and frame up.
I can when we come to town to get the stuff from Lowe's, I can I'll get you some Mod Podge because I need to get some more too. I've only got about yay much in this one, and maybe about yay much in that one. I should probably combine them. People keep buying that really expensive diamond dot sealer. I didn't like it.
Yeah, I just got a PS5 with taxes. My bad. Huh? The white ones left. And don't know the disk drive though, so it's like
There, I can find that one with that one. Yeah.
So we're to start off outside these doors.
Yeah.
It started with like Zach showing up left to Eric. I think that's like in the future though. I think that was like showing what happened towards the end of the game. Yeah, and then it went to like quit scratching it. And then it went to like Nibelheim, Cloud, and it was like right before Sephiroth turned evil. You know the whole story of it? Have you seen this before? Does he have like Zach's memories? Is that what it is?
Yeah, they're kind of.
He doesn't remember.
It's weird. You play the French game. There's this robot that fell out of space called Genoa or Genova.
Yeah, I know about Genova.
And they all have like they're like clones of her.
There you go.
Yeah.
Hi, Ricky.
They're all clones of the damn robot lady. Sephiroth is like super infused with her DNA and shit. And it's like crazy.
What else been up since like 5 o'clock working on cars? You hear me?
Sound like robot.
I know, but she's in her art room and she's no service. Don't they hear you?
What else been up since like maybe 5:30, 6 o'clock working on cars? Working on the cars.
What?
He's been working on the cars since about 5:30.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We especially wanted to get his done so we could take Bree to work. What in the hell is sticking there? Anyhow. I'm going to have to come get you one of these days, Ricky, so you can fix this fucking camcorder.
Fucking camcorder.
I already told him I wanted to smash it.
Yep.
I want to smash the printer now, too. It's irritating. I don't like to buy something. I like to buy something that immediately I can use it. So although I can record, I can't put it on my computer. What good is it? What good is it? What good is it? Did you eat your leftovers you took home, or did you take any leftovers home with you, Allie?
Me? What?
Did
Yeah,
you take...
I ate them.
Yeah, I had my salad for supper.
Yeah, I ate them.
Yeah.
Did you go home drunk?
I went home feeling pretty good.
No, they took me to with them to eat yesterday, and I had a margarita. Mom drank most of it. Here we go. Early.
TGIF. TGIF?
On Reddit.
Yeah. Thank God it's Friday. Or something like that. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Sure beat that fucking Golden Corral. I don't think I'll go back there. Golden Corral wasn't so good, was it? Can you hear me?
No.
Golden Corral
Yeah,
was.
sorry. I was texting Chance. I was trying to multitask.
Golden Corral was not
Yes,
not very good.
It sucked.
Told Ricky about it being all the food being raw.
50, 50. Straw even?
Did y'all get that bathroom finished, Ricky?
No.
What all you got left in
Gary
there?
is puking and sweating to death.
He was what?
I don't think he's going to be working on that today.
He's puking and
Oh, well, that doesn't sound good. Poor fella. Poor fella. Well, I'm going to get off here and let y'all do your thing and finish working on my Redbird. Tell him I'm gonna have to steal him so he can help me in the garden. I'm gonna have to steal you so you can help me in the garden.
Cool. You gotta cut him out again.
Tell him I'm gonna steal him so he can help me in the garden.
Not there.
Hi. I'm gonna have to steal you so you can help me in the garden. I want to take out those 3 ugly plants. Put this on him so I can stare at him. Well, I'm going to do that in the house because it ain't time to put them out in the ground yet. They'll die. It's too cold. You wait till...
Flowers won't die.
No, they're too... I'm not putting them out right this second. I'm getting the ground prepared for them. But the daffodils can go in the ground. The daffodils, those Easter flowers, those Easter flowers are good to -4, y'all. You hear me, Allie? Easter flowers are hardy to -4. So.
I'm a robot. I can't hear. I can hear like every other.
Love you, Mother.
Love you too, but I still need some fucking help.
No. Not qualified.
Huh?
Get some help when you fix this damn door.
Oh, you got some doors that need fixed?
Fine.
I thought it was a J there. Good job.
It's been broken.
He left town? He leave?
Ooh, huh?
Did he go or is he fixing your door?
He's gone. My door's been broken. He stepped on it and thought he broke it, but I was not body broken. Shit.
Oh.
You can come